7-inch ones as well.
Yep, not a problem, mate. So, that's 380. Now, without pump diesel, without pipeline.
67. Cheers.
Hey, boss.
Find out on me.
Right, yeah, Aussie garage peeps. That's right. Seen these peeps before.
89.94. Hang on a sec, let me get some change.
Give me one of these. One of these.
Scan, if it's not there.
No, that's $5.
Take orders on that details and we can send it directly out. Okay, so there you are, mate.
I think that's it. Sandman. That's pretty cool right there.
Perfect. Thank you very much. Not a drama at all.
Get some stickers. Oh. Well, my big sticker's gone. I lost the thing. Oops, sorry. He put that shit down. I dropped that big Darty sticker. I don't know where I dropped it though. That sucks.
That's easier to drive.
Hey?
That'd be easier to drive.
This is, yeah.
Yeah, just takes you back in time.
Yes, yes. Well, when I was 18, I had to run up the stairs.
Ooh, look at this whole thing right here.
But I didn't get the magazine.
Soon I'll be 60 years old. I'll take all over the world and this is a big ass Mustang crew right here. The owner's right there.
Sorry, mate.
No, you're good.
Okay, everybody, time for the Camp Quality raffle draw. And
Shit, there's a hot thing over there going.
To buy their raffle tickets. And also, I know that there have been a couple of exhibitors today who have in fact donated some last-minute gifts as well for the raffle, and we do thank them very much for that. Just before we start, I'd like to have a quick chat with Gary from Camp Quality, just to outline, like you did before, the great work that Camp Quality does.
Yeah, so Camp Quality, don't know if you know it, a great donation
donations for.
I don't know what's going on.
Completed a escapade around WA from Narrabeen to Kalgoorlie and back, dirt road, normal main road, with about 25 cars all convoying to do that trek. And raising money, we ended up raising around about
Is this a manual?
$2,000 for Kids with Cancer, which was fantastic. And look, without
I don't know. It's got a manual thing, but it doesn't have a thing. What the fuck?
And to be here today with all these fantastic partners, it's yeah, great day. Thank everyone. Yeah, all the tickets and on the lucky number of while we're
the 80s.
surprise here today, Aussie Gary, Dynamic Superstock at Global Street, come on board in a couple of last prizes. So, what you saw earlier has grown a little bit, so there's a few extra prizes there. Yeah, here's the win. Thank you.
We're going to hand this back to Gary right now because is going to draw some people happy and some unhappy, Gary. So back over to you to give away the prize, mate.
Thank you. So, lucky winner is... Okay, we've got no name on the ticket, but we've got a telephone number. I don't really want to read out. 879.
Do 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 do.
Congratulations. Your name is? Elaine. There you go, Elaine. You've won the fantastic prize there, all donated by Redco. And a few of the other prizes today. Congratulations. Thank you very much for your donation. Thank you very much.
When we find out about that.
Hello. The peeps. This thing's a manual too. This is good shit.
How much do they say those days? Well, I thought that was not bad.
That's pretty good. I think that's
The wheels are what? The wheels are going to be 5 or 6?
exactly. They're to fill. They make you fill the guards.
5 minutes left
What's involved with the tints? There's
Yeah, 4
front,
flares.
back bumper.
Yep.
on the chip.
Rear spoiler. And I've got the little roof spoiler.
Oh, yeah.
So that's pretty good. How are you, buddy?
Hey guys, you good?
Get better footage.
Oh yeah.
What's your YouTube channel?
Freedom for Australia.